underrated, overlooked at thing. People don't pay attention to this when they're repairing their own credit, and that is disassociating yourself from old addresses. That's right. If you have old addresses that are lingering, that are sitting there, oh, but I got a new ID. I've been away from that address. That's not what your credit file says. Your credit file says that you lived at 7 addresses. Your credit file says that you have 10 numbers. So do you think somebody with 7 addresses and 10 number is going to look like I should loan them or a lender should loan them money? Heck no. You're going to need to clean up your credit profile addresses first. Your one name, one number, one address, one email. And that's how you want to look. So a basic clearing letter, you're going to write your first name, your address, your zip code. Under that, you're going to write your social security number. Under that, you're going to write who is it going to? The 3 bureaus. Which one? Other than that, you're going to write the date of today. And it's going to start off as to whom it may concern. I recently pulled a free copy of my credit report and noticed the following information is in error. Below, you will see what I'm talking about. You can put your name. You're going to put your address that is that you're no longer living at. You're going to put the numbers in there in different columns. You're going to put them in there. Old numbers that you don't use no more, addresses, if your name is spelled wrong. And then after you're done that paragraph, you're going to hit the enter sign about 2 times. You're going to write, with the amount of identity theft going on, I am very fearful that someone could mistakenly identify me as someone else with this incorrect information on my credit report. Please correct the stuff above, or please correct the false information. That's not me. Okay? Sincerely, your name. And remember, when you send your copy of your social to verify who you are, and you send that copy of the ID, make sure the ID is not the address that you say you never lived at. Yeah, get a whole new address. Get a whole new address. If you have to use a UPS box to get an address, I recommend you do so. Go ahead. Get away from the old addresses that are connected to debt. Okay? Clear it up. One name, one address, one number.